Hamjambo wanafunzi bora, karibu sana to today's video. Jina langu ni Millie and today we are going to learn about Swahili question words. But before we get to it, if you are new here, kindly make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so that each and every time we get to upload a new video, you'll be among the first people to be notified so that you continue catching up with our lessons. And for all the returning subscribers, thank you so much for always tuning in. Yes, so as we have said, today we are going to talk about Swahili question words, and these are words which we use when we want to ask some questions in Swahili. So we are first going to list them down and then we shall try and make sentences using these same words. Okay? So our first word is wapi. Wapi. Sorry. Wapi. To mean where. Let's first list all of them and then we shall come back to start making sentences. The second one is lini. Lini. To mean when. When. Our third word is gani. 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 To mean which one. All right, let's go to the fourth one. Nini. Nini. So nini means what. What. Then we have ngapi. 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 To mean how many. The sixth one is nani. Nani. Nani to mean who. And then we have VP. VP. VP means how. VP. How. Another one is kwa nini. Kwa nini. To mean why. Kwa nini. To mean why. All right. Then we have kwa sababu. Then we have kwa sababu. Kwa sababu to mean because. Kwa sababu. This is used when you are answering the question which starts with kwa nini. So you say kwa sababu, then you add your response, your reason. You add your reason. Because. Add your reason. I hope we are all okay up to this point. Our first one, we said wapi. Wapi, to mean where. Then we have lini. The third one is gani. Nini. Ngapi. Nani. Vipi. Kwa nini. And then kwa sababu. Alright, so these are our words for today. And now what we are going to do next, we are going to try and make sentences using these same words, question one, so that we can see how we can use them in Swahili. Up to this point, I hope that all of us watching now, we have subscribed, because we are on the road to 2,000 subscribers. We reached 1,000 and that is so wow! Okay? Now let's clear our board and we make the sentences. We have a small board. But next time we are going to upgrade and we get a bigger one. Alright! Our board is clear. Ready for the sentences. I hope you are ready with your pen also and your book. So, our first word was wapi. Wapi. So now we are going to make the first sentence using the word wapi. Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? Where are you going? Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? Where are you going? Unaenda wapi? Unaenda wapi? That is the first sentence. So this is how you can use the word wapi. And then the second word was lini. Lini. So utaenda lini? Utaenda lini? When? Utaenda lini? Utaenda lini? We said lini means when. So this simply means when are you going? Good. Utaenda lini? When are you going? Then our third word was gani. Gani. Let's try and make a sentence using the word gani. Okay, here we have two pens, a blue one and a green one. So we can say kalamu gani ni nzuri. Kalamu gani ni nzuri. Kalamu gani ni nzuri. Gani. Kalamu gani ni nzuri? Which pen is good? Is good. And the fourth word was nini. Nini. So who can try and construct for us a sentence using the word nini? We said nini means what. Okay? Nini, we can say unafanya nini. What are you doing? Unafanya nini. Unafanya nini. Unafanya nini. What are you doing? Simple. Sorry. Our next word was ngapi. Ngapi to mean how many or how much. You can either use it for countable things or uncountable ones. Ngapi. An example using the word ngapi. Nimeshika kalamu ngapi. Nimeshika kalamu ngapi. How many pens am I having? Nimeshika kalamu ngapi. How many pens am I holding? Nimeshika kalamu mbili. Nimeshika kalamu mbili. If you haven't watched our video on Swahili numbers, kindly go back, check on our videos, and you will see where we targeted numbers from 1 up to 1,000. 1 up to 1,000 in Swahili. Okay, on to our 6th sentence. The 6th one was nani. Nani. Nani means who. So we can say nani ameandika hapa. Nani ameandika hapa. Nani ameandika hapa. Nani ameandika hapa. Nani means who. So who has written here. Good. Nani ameandika hapa. Nani ameandika hapa to mean who has written here. Was vipi. Vipi to mean how. An example, we can say naweza elewa vipi. Naweza elewa vipi. Naweza elewa vipi. How can I understand? Naweza elewa vipi. How can I understand? Good. Naweza elewa vipi. On to our 7th word. Kwa nini. Kwa nini. Let's make a sentence. Kwa nini. Kwa nini unasoma Swahili? Kwa nini unasoma Swahili? Why are you learning Swahili? Kwa nini unasoma Kiswahili? Kwa nini unasoma Kiswahili? It is our kwa nini is here. So we are using it to make a sentence. Kwa nini unasoma Kiswahili? Why are you learning Swahili? So for you to answer this question, you have to start with the word kwa sababu. Kwa sababu, which means because. Kwa sababu was our next word. So let's answer this question. Kwa nini unasoma Kiswahili? Why are you learning Swahili? Kwa sababu ninataka zuru Kenya. Because I want to visit Kenya. Yes. You can say that. Kwa sababu ninataka zuru Kenya. Zuru Kenya. Kwa sababu ninataka zuru Kenya. Because I want to visit Kenya. Amazing. Kwa nini unasoma Kiswahili? Kwa sababu ninataka kuzuru Kenya. Right? Kwa sababu ninataka zuru Kenya. Now, up to this point, I hope you have learned something today. And if you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and tune in tomorrow at the same time for the next lesson. Thank you so much for coming. I love you all.